Hey, Lynn, how's everything going? It's Rob. Sorry for the delay. I had some technical issues, and it was just I had to reboot my computer. I think I was trying to do too much at one time on it, and the audio sounded like garbage the last time I did this. So I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, you sent me this link, and it is a PDF file. If I click on that link on my computer, it'll open up in a new tab. Alternatively, it may open up in Adobe PDF Reader. That's kind of dictated by how your computer is set up and what apps you have installed on your computer or Chromebook or whatever you're using for this. So some things may look a little different, but the principles on my workaround should be the same. And that is the following. What we're going to do with this document, right? You scroll down, you got the answer key. That's no good. Kids are going to just use that. So you want to be able to use this without the answer key. So what we're going to do is we are going to print this document to a new PDF file and then choose what pages we want to save. So I'm going to do it two different ways. I'm going to do it in Google Chrome here. So if you had opened that document in a tab like this, it'll look like this. I'm also going to show you what it looks like in Adobe Acrobat Reader as well. But it's all really the same. You go to print. Typically, there's a little icon up there on the right-hand side where you print a document. And something like this will pop up. If you see the destination, it's already set to save as PDF because I've done this a few times already. Typically, it'll be on your default actual physical printer that you might have in your home office, at school, wherever you're at when you typically do this kind of stuff. But if you do the drop-down list, one of the choices will be Save as PDF here within the web browser. So you want to choose that, and then you are going to choose Custom, and you just want the first page. So now when I hit Save, this will open up like the regular Windows thing. It's like, hey, what is this? I'm just going to call this blah. You're saving this PDF file to your desktop now so that now there's blah. When I open that up, it's just the problems without the answer key. I've had to use this workaround a bunch of times. CommonCoreSheets.org is another website that I used to use when I taught fifth grade, where I would have the same issue where it would always print the answer sheet. So I kind of had to do this to get around that. Alternatively, if you open up that file that you had sent me and it opens up in Adobe Acrobat Reader, I have it saved on my desktop already. Or do I? Yeah, here it is. Once again, there's the answer key. If you're in Adobe Acrobat Reader already, either you go to File and then Print, or there's the little print icon right there. You click that. It'll open up another print window. You'll see that my choice for PDF is already chosen. Typically, it'll be set to your default printer, which is an actual physical printer that you'd print paper to. You want to hit that drop-down list and choose Microsoft Print to PDF or any option that looks like that. It's going to look different on every computer because I don't know what you have installed on your PC at home. So this will look a little different. This is all based on stuff that I have on my computer here. But this is typically a choice that if you're running Microsoft Windows, this choice should be there. You highlight that, and you do the same things again. I want just page 1. Then I hit print. And then it's going to go to save it. I'm going to call this blah 2. Save that to the desktop, hit save, and we're done. So if I close out of that, there's blah 2. Open up that in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Boom, worksheet without the answer key. So now, and I'll go through this extra step since I got you here. If we go to Google Classroom, I'm going to open up our test classroom that I've been using for the other videos. Here we go. So we have test. I'm going to delete this because I made this earlier. Pretend you're not looking at this. Look away. It's not going to let me delete it. So if I hit that, whatever. Okay. So if you go to classwork and you want to create an assignment, right? Fractions are you. Capitalize that. You give some type of instructions, complete the worksheet, and type your answers into a Google Doc. You might want to give another instruction like, you can't really make the fraction, so you'd have to type like 1/3 like this, or like this, or whatever the answer would be. If a mixed number, 5 and 1/5. So you might want to leave some type of instruction to show the kids how to type out fractions. Um, there's a way to do like a legitimate use a fraction symbol and all that. Very complicated. Kids get confused, get frustrated. I wouldn't even bother. I would just have them write their answers like this. You would click add, go to file because we saved that document physically on a computer. Right, saved it to my desktop. I called it blah. Hit upload. There you go. There's a worksheet for them. I usually do make a copy for each student since you want multiple students to be working on it. For something like this, if you're not grading it, don't worry about like the points and due dates and all that. I typically make some type of due date just for the heck of it, like I want it by the end of the week. For something like this, that's what I would do, like, personally. And then click assign. So now, it'll take a second. Now it's posted. This is one from another video that was jank before. Delete. Get rid of that. There you go. You know, and if I edit this, I guess one thing you could do that I did mention in the other video is make a subtopic and call it math. So if you're helping kids across multiple topics, you can know where to find this assignment later on just by searching the math thing. So if you go back over here, now in my test video, we made writing and now we made math. So you can see how if you create topics for your assignments, you can kind of parse through them quickly once you start actually giving multiple, assignments in multiple content areas. So that's how I would do it. I mentioned quizzes before, or Kahoot. The only thing that it's not good for from a math perspective is it's very multiple choice driven and maybe not the best in the world for something like this, now that I'm thinking about it. But there you go. I'm going to make another Google Classroom video tomorrow. So if you need anything else, shoot me an email. Later. Bye.